going to maybe do this one. What is here? I feel something, kids. I see something great. What do you think it is, kids? Ooh, something gray or white? I'm gonna break it. Huh? That is Donkey Kong. Look, you see a face?
I do think that's a perfect.
Look. See? That is Donkey Kong. See, I love blue. Blues always have Donkey Kong. Let's see what is my another surprise. Maybe another Super Mario toys? I see something yellow over here. Look, what is it, guys? I'm gonna break it. Wow! Look, what is it? Mario! The little one, Mario. What do you think it is? I'm gonna break this to see what is it. Look, what is it? Mario. I can't believe it. What is my second character in Super Mario Party? Guys, I feel something weird. What do you think it is, kids? I can't tell what is it. Luigi. I can't tell what it is. Yep, I see your eyes. So I know what is it. This. But the full line. And this is my surprise. I can't believe it. What it is? My surprise. Luigi! I love Luigi. That is something in Super Mario Party. I love it. What do you think is my surprise? I can't believe it. That is my surprise. Mario again. Another Mario. I can't believe it. There's another Mario. Oh, no. Don't worry. I can fix it. You can have green though. What is my number surprise? What do you think it is, kids? I can't tell what it is. But I'm not telling you. Yoshi! Your favorite one! That is cool. Look, from Super Mario Party toys. See how many are there? Super Mario Party toys. You can believe that? You love the characters from Super Mario Party? What do you think my surprise is? I'm going to check this. Again, be quiet. Whoa! It's Super Mario Party! This is in Super Mario Party too! I can't guess what is my number one. I can't tell what is it. I see purple over there. Oh, breaking it to see what is there. I'm trying to break this. What do you think my surprise is going to be, kids? Waluigi! You know what's my second surprise going to be? I'm digging it. Again, the look.
Hey, that's mine.
Nope, I got it first. What do you think in here? I see something red. I know what it is. Diddy Kong! With F5. I'm taking the F5 to Donkey Kong. I love that fight.